Today, we cherish and celebrate you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Christine Joy. Cheers to more fun, more memories in cake. Happy birthday, Ma'am Mitch. As we age, words may fade, but personalities never change. You're one of a kind and deserve everything that this special day brings. And if you're waiting for your birthday gift, close your eyes and make a wish. Surprise, it's me! Happy birthday, Sir Rex! Your birthday is the perfect time to recognize all your wonderful qualities. Thank you for enlightening, for guidance, for inspiration, for encouragement, for the unwavering support, and for always being there for me, and most importantly, for being a part of my journey. To my sponsor, Sir Marlon Recamara, you deserve everything you wish for and more. Happy birthday!
Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Sa ating pong 5 celebrant for the month of May, I want you to greet a happy birthday. First, to our coach and mentor, Sir Rexy Baldomingo Canto. Sir, happy birthday to you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love and care. Not only your coach, but you are the best advisor to our team. Once again, happy birthday. Sana po maligaya ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. And sa atin ding ama ng lahat, pero nag-iisa ang asawa, ang takbuhan ng lahat, walang iba kundi si Sir Marlon Recamara. Sir, happy birthday po sa iyo. Salamat po sa mga learnings na gain ko po sa iyo. Salamat kasi andyan ka palagi na ginaguide ako, tinuturuan ako sa mga hindi ko pa alam, lalong-lalo na po sa ating negosyo. Maraming salamat. Once again, happy birthday, Sir Marlon. And to my beautiful upline, Ma'am Mitch Gerbaliw, I want you also to greet happy birthday. Thank you, Ma'am, sa time po na nagdadalamhati ako. Andyan ka po para damayan ako. Andyan ka po para i-push ako pataas. Salamat palagi. At sa atin ding ka-business partner, Ma'am Christine, happy birthday din po sa iyo, Ma'am. Kung ano man po yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, yung mga trials sa buhay, magpatuloy lang po tayo at huwag tayong susuko. Once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Christine. And last but not the least, Ma'am Arlene, pinabati din po kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Once again, maraming
happy birthday sa apat kong business partner na si Sir Rex, si Sir Marlon, si Ma'am Christine at si Ma'am Mitz. Ang masasabi ko lang, your unwavering support have truly motivated us as a business partner and teammates. Thank you for being our guiding light in our GPTT journey. And once again, happy birthday, Sir Marlon, Sir Rex, Ma'am Mitz, and Ma'am Christine. And I wish you all the best and every success in the future with GPTT team.
Okay, so happiest birthday, Ma'am Michelle Gervillieu, Ma'am Christine Choi Narosa, Ma'am Arlene, and Sir Marlon Recamara. Wishing you all a day filled with joy, a year full of hope, full of blessings, full of boundless of success. Your dedication and commitment will continue to inspire others, continue to inspire the entire team. And so our coach and mentor, Sir Rixie Valcanto, happiest birthday, sir. And thank you so much for constantly guiding us with wisdom. And your leadership has been the cornerstone of our growth. We are truly grateful and blessed. So let this new year of life be a reminder that we are just getting started. The best is yet to come. So just stay focused, stay motivated, and keep going, keep pushing, and keep grinding, and keep building a legacy of success. So meron pa akong naihanda na memory verse para po sa inyo. In the book of Psalm chapter 20 verse 4, sabi po dito, may He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans success. So, once again, happiest birthday to all of you and God bless.
Hello, mommies. Good morning. Kamusta po at enjoy your vacations. Happy birthday po at wish ko lang po na keep healthy always and keep always beautiful at more turning age to come in your life. At wish ko rin po na laging sumainyo ang kasaganaan ng pamumuhay. At syempre, wish ko rin na kung ano man po yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad mo po at especially po na maging successful po ikaw sa ating pagninegosyo. At yun lang po. And happy birthday and more blessings to you. Bye-bye. Hello, Ma'am Christine Joy. Good morning po. Kamusta po ikaw? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kang kalagayan at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. Ayan, so sana po nag-enjoy ka po sa iyong pagbabakasyon. At alam ko po, flight mo po ngayon. Ingat na lang po at see you po on some webinar. So, ayan, binabati po kita ng happy birthday. So, wish ko lang din po na marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyong makaarawan. At keep healthy always. At wish din namin na ng buong team na makita ka namin ang tough dito sa ating pagninegosyo. So, kung ano man po mga discourage mo rin dito na nararanasan sa ating pagninegosyo, keep on positive lang po tayo. Okay po? So, andito lang po kami para i-guide ka po namin at matulungan ka din na umangat yung iyong sarili na mag-grow sa ating pagninegosyo. Yung lang po, more blessings and more power. Ingat po. Hello, Sir Rex. Good morning. Kamusta po ikaw? At sana po ay nasa mabuti kang kalagayan ngayon at in a good health. Ayan, so binabati po kita ng happy birthday. At wish ko lang po na marami pang birthday yung dumating sa iyong buhay at maraming blessings. At siyempre, wish ko rin po na kung ano man po yung mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay, matumpad mo pong lahat sa iyong pamilya. At syempre, alam ko, may wish din namin na makasama ka namin na magtagumpay dito sa ating pagninegosyo. At nagpapasalamat po kami, naging parte ka po ng aming team, na salamat din po sa iyong mga pag-guide at pagbibigay ng wisdom at mga learning na iyong mga natutuhan din. So, yun lang po at wala naman po kaming ibang wish na kundi lahat tayo ay magtagumpay dito sa ating pagninegosyo. So, more blessing po and God bless you. Ingat po.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay nga po pala, good morning. Good morning kasi we believe that new hope, new opportunity, and new blessings. Charot, feeling host. Well, masaya po ako na makapagbigay ng maikling mensahe para sa lahat ng mga magse-celebrate ng birthday this month. Ay, ang dami. Sana ay malasing nyo kami. Charot. Sir Rex, Sir Marlon, Ma'am Mitch, and Ma'am Choi. Nawa ay i-bless kayo ni Heavenly Father. Kung ano man ang desire ng inyong puso, ng inyong isip, kung ano man ang inyong mga plano, ang inyong mga goal, na nawa ay magkaroon ng katuparan. At ganun din, nawa ay i-guide kayo ni Heavenly Father sa inyong araw-araw ng inyong buhay. At nawa ay maging matatag kayo sa hamon. At nawa ay pagkalooban kayo ni Heavenly Father ng malusog na pangangatawan at mahabang buhay. At ganun din, nawa ay manatili ang pagmamahalan at ang pag-ibig sa bawat family na meron kayo. Nawa ay maging masaya kayo ngayong oras na ito, sapagkat ang oras na ito ay para sa inyo. At agoy, masaya ako na nakilala ko kayo at ginagawa ang business na kasama ko kayo. Well, muli, happy birthday sa inyong apat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To our dear beloved coach and mentor, Mr. Rexival Domingo Canto, who loves us all like a father and care us all like a best friend. Advance happy birthday po, sir. May your birthday be as wonderful as the love you so selflessly give. Indeed, you are blessings in our lives. And today, we celebrate your birthday with all our hearts. And of course, ka-look-alike ni Mr. Eddie Garcia ng ating company, ang ating business partner, maaasahan at tatay ng lahat, no other than Mr. Marlon Recamara. Happy birthday po, sir. May you continue to live a life brimming with limitless peace and happiness. And of course, to our princess celebrant, kay Ma'am Mitch, Ma'am Michelle Garvillo, belated happy birthday po, ma'am. And advance happy birthday po kay Ma'am Christine Joy. Again, from Miss MJ and Dana Telego, together with your unified and GPTT family, we wish you all a happy birthday. May God bless and bring you all more happiness and success to your life. Happy birthday to all. Happy birthday.
Dear Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Mitch, Ma'am Christine Joy, Sir Marlon, and most especially to our coach and mentor, Sir Rexival Canto. On this special day, I want to extend my warmest birthday wishes to each of you. May your birthdays be filled with joy, love, and the appreciation you truly deserve. Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Mitch, Ma'am Christine Joy, and Sir Marlon, your dedication, hard work, and leadership continue to inspire those around you. Your contributions and presence make every endeavor more meaningful and successful. And to our exceptional coach and mentor, Sir Rexival Canto, your wisdom, guidance, and unwavering support shape not only our professional growth, but our personal development as well. Your passion for mentorship is a gift that makes a lasting impact. May this year brings you more achievements, happiness, and countless blessings. Enjoy your special day.